So hello and welcome to Mineral Water Project Information. I am Soumitra here. So this is something regarding a new notification or new order which has been issued by the FSSAI. So this is FSSAI. You can see that FSSAI, Food Safety Standards Authority of India. So as you are knowing, or we are telling always that there are two registrations which are needed for a packaged drinking water manufacturing and other things. So as it is, it is required that you need to register for the BIS and the FSSAI both. So now recently from 26th March, you can see it here, 26 March 2021, FSSAI again mentioned that no person shall manufacture, you can see here, sell or exhibit for sale that mineral water except the BIS mark. I mean, they say that the packaged drinking water and the packaged mineral water are in operation with FSSAI license, but without BIS mark will not be considered. So they say that you should first occur the BIS mark and then only you are going for the packaged drinking water, FSSAI mark. So we have been telling always that you need license for that. And why specifically FSSAI is mentioning this again through a separate special notice. So this is mainly to avoid the duplication which is happening in the market. So India is a huge country and a huge number of businesses are registered. So earlier it was difficult for handling this kind of population, So FSSAI, it is clearly saying that they are saying that they have observed that it is mentioned here, report that a number of manufacturers of packaged drinking water are in operation with FSSAI but without the BIS certification mark. So they are saying that it has been observed that there are a number of manufacturers. This word is very important. Manufacturers of packaged drinking water. That means they are having facilities to manufacture packaged drinking water, okay, or at least they claim to have the facilities without the BIS mark. Actually, this comes under the BIS compulsory certification. Okay, I will just show you that where is the BIS compulsory certification. Hold for a second. So here we are on the BIS website, actually bis.gov.in. If you come there and come to the conformity assessment, and if you come under that, if you come to online information, you will get to this particular page. Okay, online information, you can see that, and here if you can scroll below, it is clearly mentioned that products under compulsory certification. Let's click on that and let's see what is compulsory certification. So products under compulsory certification, there is a list of products which is under compulsory certification. Under the IS mark, we can go here and we can check it. And if you want to really check fast, what you can do is you can put Ctrl F and you can just check packaged. See, you can see it here. There are two certifications which are here. I will mention packaged drinking water, which we have been talking about. Sorry, this is a little faster. I have typed in. Let's say packaged drinking water. So this is standard 13428. This is under compulsory certification. It is clearly saying that. And second is 14543. That is also packaged drinking water other than natural mineral water. And we can just check it here. One more standard if we have, that is 10500. So this is, there is nothing like it does not have any compulsory certification. So we can see that 14543. It is under certification. You can see that there is a result here, packaged drinking water. Okay, and second one is, you can still check 13428. That is packaged natural mineral water. Packaged natural mineral water. So these are the two waters which are under compulsory certification. So my point is, right from beginning, actually they are under compulsory certification, and still people are not getting it. So these kind of duplications or not confined with the licenses, this probably FSSAI wants to protect that. Now that is why they have made a compulsory law that FBO will have to mandatory upload copy of BIS license for applying for new license. And here it is the third one. If you see the third thing, even for the renewal also you will need to have that. So this is made very compulsory that without this online your application will not be uploaded straight away. So this is a welcome thing actually. So because of this, what will happen is there will be a little control over the duplication, and it is a welcome news to the registered manufacturers. So thank you so much and stay tuned always subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe to the newsletter service also. Thank you so much.